Join me as I It's like a work of art, looks effortless, and naturally fabulous. I've seen some amazing transformations with the butterfly haircut, and I'm excited to share some of them with you. From limp and lifeless to bouncy and vibrant, the difference is night and day. It's like, can you even believe that's the same person? The confidence boost is real, guys. When your hair looks good, you feel good. Check out this before and after of Sarah, who went from a heavy, lifeless mane to a bouncy, effortlessly chic do. And then there's John, who ditched the frizz and flyaways for a sleek, polished look. The benefits of the butterfly haircut are undeniable. It's perfect for those with long hair who want to add some movement and flow, but still keep their length. And the best part, it's suitable for all hair types. Fine, thick, curly, straight, you name it. The butterfly haircut is a total game changer for those with long hair. It's a cut that's all about enhancing the natural texture of the hair, while adding movement and flow. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any favorite hairstyles or experiences with the butterfly haircut, be sure to comment below, and don't forget to subscribe.